Daniel, what do you usually do in the last hour before you go to bed?
That's a good question.
Do you have a real night routine, or do you just go to bed whenever you're tired?
Honestly, it depends.
Depends on what.
Sometimes I have a very good routine. Other nights, well, let's just say my phone wins.
Your phone wins?
Yes, I tell myself I'll watch one short video.
And then?
Suddenly, it's midnight.
Oh, come on.
I know, it's terrible.
So maybe your night routine needs some work.
Definitely.
Well, today we're going to talk about exactly that.
Our night routines, our habits, what we do before bed, and how we prepare for the next day.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast.
Hi, everyone. It's great to have you here with us.
We hope you're having a relaxing evening.
And if you're listening before bed, that's perfect.
Today we're talking about a very simple topic.
Your night routine.
We're going to practice natural English that you can use when talking about your evenings.
We'll talk about dinner, showers, phones, relaxing, reading, preparing for tomorrow, and going to bed.
And of course, we'll learn some useful vocabulary and everyday expressions.
So get comfortable.
And let's talk about the end of the day. Daniel, how was your evening yesterday?
Pretty good, actually.
Really?
Yeah, I finished work around 6, went home, and made dinner.
What did you make?
Pasta.
Again?
Hey, pasta is easy.
You always say that.
Because it's true.
Fair enough.
What about you?
I had a quiet evening.
That sounds nice.
I made some tea and watched a little TV.
What did you watch?
A comedy show.
Was it funny?
Very funny.
Would you recommend it?
Definitely.
Maybe I'll watch it tonight.
Just don't stay up too late.
No promises.
I think our evenings are very different.
They probably are.
You seem to have a proper routine.
I try to.
I usually just do whatever I feel like doing.
That's not always a good idea.
Why not?
Because if you don't have a routine, you might stay up too late.
That's true.
And then you're tired the next morning.
Very true.
That's why a night routine can be helpful.
So what's your night routine?
Good question.
Let's compare.
Okay, let's start with dinner.
What time do you usually have dinner?
Around 7.
That's pretty early.
Is it?
I usually eat around 8.
8? That's late.
Maybe, but I don't get home early.
What do you usually eat?
Something simple.
Like?
Rice, chicken, vegetables, sometimes pasta.
There it is again.
What?
Pasta.
Pasta is my best friend.
Okay.
What about you?
I try not to eat a very heavy dinner.
Why?
Because I don't feel comfortable when I eat too much before bed.
That makes sense.
After dinner, I usually clean the kitchen.
You clean every night?
Yes.
Wow. You're more organized than me.
Somebody has to be.
What do you do after dinner?
I usually take a shower.
In the evening?
Yes, a warm shower helps me relax.
I agree. There's something nice about taking a shower after a long day.
Exactly.
I usually take a shower before dinner.
Really?
Yeah. I like to feel fresh when I eat.
That's interesting.
Then I put on comfortable clothes.
That's one of my favorite parts of the evening.
Comfortable clothes?
Yes. After wearing work clothes all day, I just want to wear something comfortable.
I completely understand.
Sometimes I put on pajamas early.
How early?
Maybe 8 o'clock.
8?
What?
That's very early.
I like being comfortable.
Fair enough.
Now let's talk about something we both probably do too much.
Let me guess.
Your phone.
Oh no. Okay, you got me.
Do you use your phone before bed?
Yes.
How long?
Maybe 20 minutes?
Maybe.
Okay. Sometimes an hour.
An hour?
Seriously.
What do you do?
I check messages, watch videos, look at social media.
And then you wonder why you can't sleep.
Exactly.
I try to put my phone away before bed.
Really?
Yes, I put it on a table across the room.
That's smart.
Otherwise, I'd probably keep checking it.
I need to try that.
You should.
But what if someone sends me an important message?
At midnight? Okay, you've got a point.
I actually think night routines are a little boring.
Boring?
Yeah, doing the same things every night sounds boring to me.
I see what you mean.
I like having freedom.
That's fair.
Sometimes I want to watch a movie. Sometimes I want to read. Sometimes I want to go out.
That's okay.
So I don't want a strict routine.
I agree that you don't need a strict routine.
Really?
Yes, a routine doesn't mean doing everything at exactly the same time.
Then what does it mean?
It means having a few habits that help you finish your day in a good way.
Ah, I understand.
For example, you could have dinner, take a shower, relax for a while, prepare for tomorrow, and then go to bed.
That doesn't sound too strict.
Exactly.
Maybe I can handle that.
One thing I always do at night is prepare for the next day.
What do you prepare?
I check my schedule.
Good idea.
I choose my clothes.
Really?
Yes, it saves time in the morning.
That's smart.
I also prepare my bag.
What about breakfast?
Sometimes I prepare that too.
Wow, you're really organized.
I try.
I usually do all of that in the morning.
Doesn't that make your morning stressful?
Sometimes.
There you go.
Okay, maybe you're right.
Preparing at night can make the next morning easier.
That's a good point.
You wake up and already know what you need to do.
So you start the day feeling more relaxed.
Exactly.
Do you think a night routine can really change your life?
Maybe not change your whole life, but it can make your days better.
How?
A good evening can help you relax.
And maybe sleep better.
Exactly.
It can also help you stop thinking about work.
That's important.
Sometimes I finish work, but my mind is still at work.
I know what you mean.
I'm sitting at home, but I'm thinking about tomorrow's tasks.
That's why I like having a quiet time before bed.
What do you do?
I might read a book, listen to calm music, or just sit quietly.
No phone?
No phone.
Wow, that's difficult.
At first, yes.
But now?
Now I really enjoy it.
I might try that.
You should.
You know, I used to have a terrible night routine.
Really? What did you do?
I'd stay up very late, almost every night.
How late?
Sometimes 2 or 3 in the morning.
3 in the morning?
Yes.
What were you doing?
Watching videos, playing games, checking my phone.
Sounds familiar.
Then I'd wake up tired and complain about being tired.
I know.
I know. It was my own fault.
So what changed?
One day, I decided to stop using my phone after 10.
Did it work?
Not immediately.
I can imagine.
The first few nights were difficult.
But you kept trying?
Yes. After a while, it became normal.
And did you sleep better?
Definitely.
That's great.
I realized that small habits can make a big difference.
Let's take a short learning break and look at some useful vocabulary. Routine. Routine means the things you usually do in the same order or around the same time. Example, my night routine helps me relax.
Relax. Relax means to rest and become calm. Example, I like to relax after dinner.
A habit is something you do regularly. Example, reading before bed is a good habit. Now let's learn some useful expressions for talking about your evening. 1. Wind down.
Wind down means to slowly relax before going to sleep or finishing your day. Example, I usually wind down with a cup of tea.
Call it a night. Call it a night means to stop what you're doing and go to bed or finish for the evening. Example, I'm really tired. I think I'll call it a night. Get ready for bed.
This means doing the things you normally do before going to sleep. Example, I usually get ready for bed around 10. 4. Sleep like a baby.
This means to sleep very well. Example, I was so tired last night that I slept like a baby. 5. Stay up late.
This means not going to bed until very late. Example, I stayed up late watching a movie.
6. Get a good night's sleep. This means to sleep well for enough time. Example, I really need to get a good night's sleep tonight. 7. Take it easy.
This means to relax and not work too hard. Example, it's been a long day. I'm going to take it easy tonight.
8. Before you know it. This means something happens very quickly or sooner than you expect. Example, I watched one video and before I knew it, it was midnight.
That's exactly what happens to me.
Now let's make some common sentences sound more natural. Example 1. Unnatural. I make my night routine at 10. Natural. I start my night routine around 10. Example 2. Unnatural. I go to bed late because I watch phone. Natural. I stay up late because I spend too much time on my phone.
These small changes make a big difference.
Exactly. You don't need complicated English to sound natural.
Emma, what time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30.
10:30?
Yes.
That's early.
Is it?
I usually go to bed around midnight.
That's too late.
I know.
And what time do you wake up?
7?
That's not terrible.
See?
But you could still get more sleep.
You've got a point.
What time would you like to go to bed?
Maybe 11.
That's better.
But what am I supposed to do between 10 and 11?
Read a book?
I might fall asleep after 2 pages.
Is that a problem? No, that's actually the goal.
Fair enough. Let's imagine a real situation.
Okay.
2 friends are talking about their sleeping habits,
One person has a healthy night routine.
and the other person stays up too late.
Let's see what happens. Hey, Daniel, you look tired today.
I am tired.
Did you sleep badly?
Yeah, I couldn't fall asleep until almost 2 in the morning.
Oh, wow. Why?
I was on my phone.
Again?
I know.
What were you doing?
Watching videos.
For how long?
I don't know.
Daniel,
Okay, about 2 hours.
2 hours?
Seriously.
You need to put that phone away at night.
I know, but it's hard.
Why don't you try a simple night routine?
Like what?
First, stop using your phone about 30 minutes before bed.
Okay,
Then take a shower.
sure.
Put on comfortable clothes.
Easy.
Then read a few pages of a book.
What if I don't like reading?
Listen to calm music.
I like that.
Then prepare your clothes for tomorrow.
That's actually a good idea.
And finally, go to bed at the same time every night. What?
Can I still watch one video?
No. Okay, maybe one short video,
Deal.
but only one.
I promise.
We'll see.
Hey, I can do it.
I believe you. Now it's your turn.
Try to answer these questions out loud. Question 1. What time do you usually go to bed? Pause and answer. Question 2. What do you usually do before bed? Question 3. Do you use your phone before sleeping? Why or why not? Question 4. What helps you relax at night? Question 5. What is one thing you would like to change about your night routine? Pause and answer.
Great job.
And remember, you can give short answers.
I go to bed at 11.
I read before bed.
I take a shower.
I listen to music.
I try not to use my phone.
Simple English is enough.
Let's review what we learned today.
We talked about night routines,
We talked about dinner,
taking a shower,
comfortable clothes,
phone and screen time,
preparing for tomorrow,
relaxing and reading.
and getting ready for bed.
We learned useful vocabulary like
Routine,
habit,
relax,
prepare,
comfortable,
sleepy,
screen time.
and unwind.
We also learned some natural expressions.
Wind down,
Call it a night,
stay up late,
sleep like a baby,
take it easy.
and get a good night's sleep.
You know, I used to think a night routine was boring.
And now,
Now I think it's useful
why?
because the way you finish your day can affect how you start the next one.
That's true.
If I stay up late and spend hours on my phone, I feel tired the next morning.
But if you slow down, relax, and prepare for bed, your morning can feel easier.
Exactly.
And your night routine doesn't have to be perfect.
Right.
Just choose a few healthy habits that work for you.
Maybe take a shower,
Read a little,
put your phone away,
prepare for tomorrow.
and get enough sleep.
That's a pretty good routine. Now we have a question for you. What is the one thing you always do before you go to bed? Do you read?
Do you watch TV?
Do you use your phone?
Do you talk to your family?
Or do you simply turn off the lights and go straight to sleep?
Tell us about your night routine in the comments.
And try to write your answer in English.
Maybe you can start with, before I go to bed, I usually...
Great sentence.
If you enjoyed today's conversation, please like the video
Subscribe for more natural English conversations.
and share this lesson with a friend who is learning English.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking,
Keep practicing.
and don't forget to get a good night's sleep.
That's good advice.
Good night, everyone.
Sleep well.
See you next time.
Bye.